like when you're stuck on a mountain. You try to go up, you try to go down, you turn around to face the wall so you can face yourself, realizing you made a mistake. Hey, you are being stuck on the moon like the rest of us, trying to make sense of it, crying